This stupid fan.
Scroll around.
I can turn it off. So we got the smaller turbo on it, which it responds quite a bit quicker. It actually made more power on pump gas because it comes on a little quicker. We made like 278, but it spiked like 29 pounds of boost. Made a little adjustment to the wastegate, got boost under control, and like that 25 spike comes down to like 23, 24 pounds of boost. It made 260, 259, 260. So yeah, I mean, it's working great. We're putting race gas in it right now. We're gonna load the race gas tune in it. I should probably do that right now. And make a couple pulls on that and see how well this turbo does with some higher boost requests. Videoing.
Yep.
This thing's making some great power on pump gas. I was really hoping that it would do it. When I made the tune file, I just called it the WS240, but it made 258. So I guess it might have to be called the 260. I'm sure I could squeak out 260 on it. But we didn't even change the clutching. This thing's clutched for E85 and race gas, basically, where we'll be at 8,700, 8,800. We didn't even touch the clutching because most people would probably do what we're doing. They're gonna mostly drive on E85 or race gas. And they're gonna put pump gas in it for whatever reason. The clutching doesn't have to be perfect. You could perfect it, but it takes, you know, a lot of work to reconfigure the clutch to work on pump gas. But basically, made like 343 on E85, 326 on MS109 race gas, and then we made 358, 355 on 93, and it made 220 on 91. 258 on 93, 220 on 91, 218 on 91. Yeah, so the power loss, we're at like 8,000 RPM on 91 octane. On 93 octane, we're like 82, 83. And then on the other fuels, the alternate fuels, we're at like 86 to 8,800. So the kit really, I don't know, it's surprisingly like I want to drive it on pump gas, see how nice it is. I mean, pump has its limits when we're doing really harsh stuff. Mostly the harshest stuff will be like when guys do like top speed runs and they're at sustained load for a really long time, and it allows the intake temperature to get really hot. That's where race gas and E85 more so than race gas, but really shines. But we've been getting a lot of people interested in these kits. We'll have like, I don't know, 10 of them built, put together here pretty soon. But check the website. The tunes, the setups will come with the E85, the race gas. For a setup like this, it'd be nicer to put you up into the 110, 109 octane region. And then we'll have the 91 and 93. 91's chill, 93 is a little bit more. And yeah, I mean, we'll have a clutch configuration for it if you want to do that. You can do completely stock clutch or the tap configuration. We got this tap working pretty good. So check the website, and thanks for watching.